So hello everyone and welcome back to the Esssex Biker, and you join me and my girlfriend Lucy again.
Hello!
And we're actually going on your first ever group ride, aren't we?
Yeah.
How'd you feel?
Good.
Yeah, you'll be alright. But so we're with the Essex Biker group again that you probably, have seen on my channel a few times. And today we're off to a place called the Bungalow Diner in Marks Tay. And basically it's an American food diner that they went to a lot last year and I never got a chance to go. So I thought I'd drag you along today.
Jump.
I'm excited. Yarp. I'm excited for the food. Are you excited for the food?
Yeah, I've never had American food before, so it's great.
You've had burgers and hot dogs in your life, haven't you?
I don't like a burger, but don't come for me for that, but I don't like a burger, but I do like a hot dog, so...
You'll be fine, don't worry. I never realised you could pull in this way. Anyway, we're here, so let's see how many bikes are already here. So I don't need to get fuel, I filled up this morning.
I'll be scared.
There's a few. Right, so this case right, if you want to jump off, babe, I'll park up.
Mhm. That's close too.
Oh, clearly shows that you're liked. Here we are. Away we go.
It's a bit crazy, I can't lie.
Sorry?
It's crazy how many people actually showed up.
To be honest, this is low numbers, or like mid numbers.
No, I know there's probably been more, yeah.
But yeah, no, yeah, it's a good turnout usually here. Right, ready for the fun to begin?
Yeah.
Oh, I think everyone else behind us got stuck at the
You've got some people moving over there.
bike actually. Hunter's going for it. Overtake this guy in front. You've got to be quite observant when you're on road. Okay, straight ahead.
Now I know why you come back this way.
Fucking nice, though.
People are doing it anyway. Huh?
Check your visor then.
No, it's going to thing up.
I'm moving my head around just to make sure I'm not going to basically get in the way. You've got to always be aware of who's around you and where they are in relation to you. It's a bit crap.
You need better driving.
You need a better
It must be a thing, Tommy. You're getting the clock on your bike is wrong.
Yeah, I know it is. About 15 minutes behind. That looks right.
They didn't seem too bad.
Perhaps father would allow us to require some.
They could have been
So we're going to work tomorrow. is that right on the last fucking corner? That's really bikes in. I'll take it over.
This is the Coco. Why did it not the Coco? What can do?
Yeah, go ahead. And I'll tell you what I'll do is I might bring it round and
yeah, it's completely come off. Yeah. Alright. Unless that's just my hair.
Oh, hang on, I left that in gear, didn't I? Oh no, it's in neutral, sweet. Right, well, we have arrived, and it's time to show you all the bikes that are here. There's actually a few bikes here before we, as we turned up, as you saw, which are these right over here. Sort of got CB650R, KTM Duke, I'm not sure which CC that is, Bandit 1200, MT07. Oh god, what are these called? Oh, that's a 1200. Oh, that's on the side. Speed Triple 1200 RR. They've actually just discontinued, haven't they? And then let's go over here. Fireblade. I believe that's a Hornet. Oh, ZZR 1400, I believe. CBR 900 RR. Gixxer 600. Nearly 500. With a Fireblade and a lovely Castrol livery. Street Triple RS. ZR 600, I believe. Another Duke. ZX10, which I've never seen one with those headlights on before. That's quite interesting. CB125F. CBR 650R. That's clearly been to a track as well. Snetterton. I want to do a track day, but I don't really know if it's a good idea on my current bike, especially with the brake being shit. XJ6. I nearly said 8 then, to be honest. Over here. Hornet 750. Ducati. I don't know which one that is. Oh, Panigale V4 S pieces on the side. I do like that. 2 Scrambler Ducatis. Big old Harley Davidson. Oh yeah, I forgot that was what's at the start. Let's squeeze through here. Big thing, isn't it? Then we've got a Z1000 SX. Lovely green. Bandit N1200. And then we've got a Z1000 over here. And then over there we've got a Lex Moto LXR 125. But yeah, decent little turnout today. Weather's been lovely. And now I'm going to go back in there and wait for my food. I forgot the bikes here. So we've got a Ducati Supersport 950S, Trident 660 and a Daytona 675. And a lovely, I'm going to say gold. That's nice, isn't it? Trident and the Ducati 950. Right, now I'm going to go back inside. And the pizza and garlic bread is here. What are you thinking? Lucy, what did you think?
It's really good, actually.
Did you enjoy the group ride?
I do recommend it.
Lovely.